Now departing is 105 128 and 105 127. Lou, now's your chance.
A chance to what?
If you want to try and get a tone, this is it.
Yo, does that mean the reflection that you're recording? Wow, I'm looking
Yeah.
good. Wow,
Yeah.
here I am. I'm glad we're not looking at randomer inside.
Yeah. I've actually got it on here. You can actually see it. Go Cubs!
He's telling you to come over to there.
You do that from there, I do that from here. Hey! Hey! Here goes.
I'm actually really curious to see it lift down now. Yep, that's a double confirmation.
I keep an eye on the guard. Come on.
Probably waiting for the right time.
Yeah. This is how amazing it is just having a buddy meet up.
Oh, yeah. You get two different perspectives, don't you? So
Yeah.
you got his footage down there.
And mine up here.
Yeah.
So he just goes on his channel, mine's do what? Well, later on before you go, it'd be on 9, so I'll be on the show.
Yeah.
Right, here it goes.
He's still recording at the moment.
Corbs, you honk down there!
So what, you still recording right now?
Yeah. 6 minutes to go.
Oh, I'm just gonna walk in front. Oh, I happen to be in shot. Oh no, now my face is all over it. Oh, I guess it's going on YouTube now.
You know that that lovely passenger in here is enjoying this.
Yeah.
Shout out to the passenger in coach number 3. Here guys.
Oh, there it goes.
Go on, Corbs!
There it goes.
No! Now it's this guy! Now it's the back! Can we rely on the back? Yes, we can! Go on, mate! Give us a tone! Go on!
Oh no, is it not gonna...